Hi there, and welcome to BhARTi Taylor. If you'd like to just like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be really great. So today we're going to start off with Canva, and we're going to create a simple design, and then we're going to enlarge it and then upload it to Redbubble. Canva is a site where you can create amazing artworks. A lot of the tools are for free, but you can also upgrade to do more with the actual site. So Redbubble is also a website where you can download or upload all of your designs and have them placed onto products which get printed by a print and demand company, and they send out all of your designs on the products that the customer buys on your behalf. So that's a really amazing way to cut through all of the dross and just get them to do all of the work for you. All you have to do is upload your amazing art and amazing designs, and the work is done for you. They do marketing for you on your behalf, and people from all over the earth are able to click into your website that you have on Redbubble, and they start buying your designs. So I'm just going to press on that for dashboard. Now let's go back to our Canva. I've already got a canvas here ready to go, so we're going to decide today what we're going to place onto the actual canvas. So there's lots to choose from. I might put here, I might do the ocean. When downloading, you can come here, and each picture, you can click on here on the download section and make each picture the background transparent, and that's called a PNG file. But I've uploaded some photos of mermaids, and I've also changed the filter on these particular ones to adjust the lighting. So as you can see here, the brightness, I've toned it right down to blend in with the actual picture itself. The background is just a photo, and I've added in a mermaid here and a mermaid there. Once we've clicked on that, as you can see, I can actually enhance the brightness of this picture, but it doesn't seem to blend in with the picture if it's really bright. So I'm just going to tone it right down so that it's just kind of darkish, and I quite like that look. And we're going to increase the size of this particular one, and I'm going to turn it into a PNG file, and I will increase the quality of the photo as well. So the pixels on this particular picture is 4667 times 6000. The more pixels that you have, the better the quality it's going to be once you upload your picture onto like Redbubble or Society 6, and once they print it onto the product, the quality is a lot better. If it's lower in pixels, it's going to look quite blurry on the actual product that you're trying to print your picture onto. So I'll just download that. Right. Now what I want to do is come over to Redbubble. So I've got my dashboard here and I want to add new work. If you're not familiar with Redbubble, Redbubble is a platform for artists and designers. It's free of charge. You can upload all of your artwork onto Redbubble and they will market your artwork for you on your behalf. But you can also copy your designs or once they've been put onto your products and transfer them through to your Facebook account, Pinterest, Twitter, any other social media account that you have. So I'm going to add that particular picture that I've done of the two mermaids. Add new work. We'll just go here to my files, my download section. And this is the actual new picture that I've generated. I'll just wait for that to come through. And tags. What tags are is basically once you upload your picture, you want people to find your artworks. So in order for them to find your artworks, you've got to have tags. So if a person comes onto Redbubble, they might type in mermaids. So you can put in all of the words that relate to mermaids and then they'll be able to find you. I'll put here mermaid, then you put comma, mermaids. Now we'll just go down to this area here. So in order for the products to be found on your shop, you have to enable all of the images. So where you have enabled that, and I'm actually going to put here a black background. That looks quite nice. And we will apply changes. I've been making quite a few sales recently on Redbubble. I think the more that you upload, the better the chances are for you to be able to be seen on Redbubble and people can find your artworks. Okay, that's uploaded now. I really love that picture. I think it's so beautiful. Right. Now, as you can see, we've got it on kids' masks, magnets, t-shirts, and it really looks beautiful. Look at that. Graphic t-shirt, lightweight hoodie. Amazing. We'll just check down here. There's so many different products. I think there's close to about 80 different products that you can put your one design onto. There we go. Wow, I really like that. Even that greeting card looks amazing. There's so many different products on here. Even that there is quite beautiful. Cushions, drawstring bag, looks amazing. Shower curtain. So there we go. So thanks very much for watching my BhARTi Taylor YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be uploading more designs and more artwork soon. So all you artists that want to learn how to do simple graphic designs, you can upload your artwork onto Redbubble. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.